they just canceled my reservation. I have to find somewhere to sleep tonight. Gosh, this would happen. So I got my haircut and the lady gave me the haircut from The Incredibles. The Edna lady, that's what my hair looks like. So I just packed for my trip and I'm gonna take you guys along. Got my puppies. Say hi, Coco. Dobby. Oh, hi, buddy.
The next day.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I am finally headed on my solo road trip that is super unorganized and very unplanned. I honestly am just gonna start driving, figure it out as I go. But right now I gotta go get some gas and then I have my breakfast on the go. So we'll start driving that way and I'll keep you guys posted on my progress as I go.
2 hours later.
I just got gas and I'm looking up some campsites right now, and but we are about an hour away from St. Augustine, which is all the way on the other side of Florida. So hopefully they have a campsite. If they don't have a campsite, then I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna figure it out, I guess. I'm gonna try and go to Anastasia State Park. The last time I went there, I was with my brother and best friend, and we actually got lucky, and there was 2 people that canceled their campsites. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna go see if they have a campsite there. I just got to Anastasia State Park and I'm not very confident that they're gonna have a space available. The line is crazy. So many cars, but hey, we're still gonna ask, see if they have a spot. If not, then I'm gonna drive up to Georgia, try and find a camping site there. As I suspected, they are booked tonight, so I'm gonna call around. There's a place in Savannah that I'm gonna try. Oh, Turtle.
Afternoon, Riverside Campground. How can I help you?
My name is Stephanie. How are you doing today?
Good. What can I do for
I was just calling to see if you had any campsites available for tonight. Hopefully today's my lucky day.
I have 2 left.
Oh, perfect. Can I book it for tonight?
Yes, ma'am. All right, you should get an email confirmation and an email receipt shortly, but I have your schedule coming in tonight.
Thank you so much.
You're all set.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.
We have a campsite in Savannah. It was a little more pricey than I wanted it to be, but that's the nature of not planning. I'm in St. Augustine now. We're gonna go ahead and leave Anastasia since they don't have a campsite. I figured they might not have one, but thankfully I already confirmed a campsite in Savannah. I'm gonna head up there and then hopefully we can get there before 6. It says I'll be there around 5:30. Let's go. Bye, St. Augustine. Okay, I just got to downtown Savannah and I'm about 25 minutes to my campsite, but I had to stop because I was passing by one of my favorite coffee places in Savannah. So I'm gonna go get some coffee and then we'll head back to the campsite. Got the coffee. Their coffee is so good. I'm so excited. We just got to my campsite, so I'm gonna go ahead and build my tent. I was talking to the guy who's here after hours and he was saying that the lighthouse is right down the street, so I can walk down there. So I'm gonna make my tent and then go check out the lighthouse. I got the tent up. It was a struggle getting a 4-person tent up by myself, but I did it. So here it is. I bought a cot this time because your girl's thick and my hips hurt when I sleep on the ground. So I thought it would be nice to have a cot. I've used a cot before. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna take the scooter and go check out the lighthouse. Oh, there's the lighthouse. Like Florida, all the beaches I grew up with. Let's go see if we can look at the lighthouse close up, because I think that would be cool. Okay, so I just got back to my campsite. I guess I gotta figure out where I'm going tomorrow. I think I want to go to Charleston because I've never been. These no-see-ums are killing me. I'm about to take a shower because it's been a long day and my hair's greasy. So I have this little bag that has a hook. I can just hook it there. And then I have my backpack with all my clothes and things I'm going to change into. And I put a carabiner on it. So if there's like a hook or something, I can hook it. And I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. And then I might go down to Savannah, downtown, or I might see if there's something to eat around here. I haven't not decided yet. I decided to go get food downtown in Savannah. I want to go to the place that I went to before, and it's a noodle bar and it's so good. So I have to hurry. It closes at 10 and it's already 8:30 and it takes me 30 minutes to get there. I gotta go. Just ate at the Flying Monk. I got my pho and I'm ready to go back to the campsite because I'm exhausted. But it was worth the drive because it was so good. I'm back in the tent and I'm going to bed. Good night.
Rise and shine.
Morning, guys. I just woke up. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm gonna tear down my tent and head to Charlotte, South Carolina. No, Charleston. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna head to Charleston, South Carolina to check it out because I've never been before. And then I'm gonna head to I'm gonna head to Asheville where I'll be camping for the night. See you guys when I get there.
I went from side to side to tell my travel come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, leave the sails and follow my own tide, yeah.
I just had a panini at the bakehouse in Charleston. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and then head to Asheville to my campsite. Charleston is actually really beautiful. It reminds me a lot of Savannah, Georgia. I wish I had more time to explore it, but I have to head to Asheville. It's about a 4-hour drive from here and set everything up before dark. So I'm gonna head out now, but it was really cute. I wish I had more time to explore it. Maybe I'll come back and spend more time here. I just got here and guys, this place is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go check in right now and get my campsite and then I'll show you guys around because it's beautiful. Well, apparently the lady put my card information in wrong into their system and she did not keep my reservation. So I just drove 4 hours to Asheville for a campsite here without a reservation. She said she left a voice message for me. I didn't receive a voice message, didn't receive a phone call. So now I guess I just have to find somewhere to go. Instead of calling me back because she put my card information in wrong, they just canceled my reservation, which is pretty awful, but whatever, such is life. So let's keep moving forward because I have to find somewhere to sleep tonight. Gosh, this would happen.